Hi chefs, welcome back to my channel where I show you how to be your own vegan chef. Don't worry if you're new to the chef part or the vegan part, it's okay, you're in the right place. My name is Sierra, also known as Chef C and C Johnson, and I've been vegan for about 2 years and I've learned quite a lot so far. I'm still learning, always learning. But in today's video, I want to share with you guys another way to kind of transform the way you see sweet potatoes. I know you probably got some sweet potatoes right now at home during quarantine. I definitely do. Sweet potatoes are a great thing to get. You can make lots of different things with them. So don't be getting tired of sweet potatoes with one way. Today I'm going to transform the way you see sweet potatoes. Hopefully, if you haven't tried anything like this before, I hope you guys enjoy. These sweet potatoes are off of the charts and definitely a different way to have sweet potatoes than you normally would, and it's very, very good and very filling, and like just a whole different taste with sweet potatoes, a whole different spin, like a whole different taste. So I'm just excited about that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get on into this recipe. And if you guys want to go ahead and make this recipe yourself, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get your downloadable recipe. So you can make it right at home. It'll be right on your phone, or you can print it out, whatever you like to do. And you can switch them sweet potatoes right up on them. Either yourself or whoever else you're cooking for. You can just switch it up. So, and it's very simple ingredients. You can use pretty much whatever you have at home. So I really like that about this. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to be using 2 sweet potatoes. These are fairly large sweet potatoes. And I think a trick to not cut yourself or look raggedy like I am is to warm these sweet potatoes up before you cut them. But mine are pretty hard, and I just cut them in half as best as I could. It's okay, girl, you're gonna eat it up anyways. And so now I'm taking some grapeseed oil, my favorite oil. It's such a light oil and it's great for high heat cooking. So if you're using olive oil, try to make the switch to grapeseed oil and try it out, because it's really good for high heat cooking. It's alkaline friendly, and it's a really nice light oil and a little bit more inexpensive. That big old bottle was only $7. But anyways, I am putting some on the pan and also on some chickpeas that I've soaked. And now we're going to start seasoning. I'm going to start off with some cumin just to give it a little extra flavor. Turmeric, of course. I love turmeric. Paprika. And I'm seasoning chickpeas and the pan just so that they both have enough seasonings. And also I'm gonna add some cinnamon just to give it a little you know, just a little extra, just a little different flavor. And these flavors work really well together. I was really surprised. It's very simple but very easy. And if you have similar spices, you can use those as well, like chili powder or something like that. That would work as well. I just used a fork and like put some holes in my sweet potatoes just to try to get those seasonings into it. And now I'm just going to put the chickpeas all around. It would work better on a bigger pan, but you can use what you have. But we're just going to put all of our chickpeas, or as much as you can fit, on the pan and cook those together. Very simple, you guys. It's been very simple so far. And so now we're just going to put it in the oven. We just set our timer for an hour at 400, and let's work on this sauce while that's cooking up. So for the sauce, it's super simple as well. I'm using some garlic hummus because you're gonna need garlic anyways. You can use plain hummus, but you're gonna end up using garlic. So I just like, let's use the garlic in there. I kind of eyeballed this thing, but if you guys want to see the recipe, definitely click in the description down below. I also have some fresh dill that I'm cutting up now, and I love the flavor of dill. If you guys have ever had tzatziki sauce and sometimes tahini, you'll find dill in more Mediterranean dishes, but I love dill. I want to experiment with it more. So also I'm adding some tahini, and this is the only tahini kind of dressing that I can really ever find at my grocery store. But this works, this does the trick. The hummus is going to make it thicker, plus it's going to add the garlic, and then you have the dill. Now we're just gonna add some salt and pepper, some lime juice, give it a little acidic flavor, you know. And to make it a little bit more creamy, I'm going to add some coconut milk as well. Just a few splashes, nothing crazy, but you can kind of eyeball this, stir it up, taste it, see if it needs more seasonings. It's gonna depend on how much of the things you have. Also, this is a quarantine meal, so I'm just using what I got. So here's the sweet potatoes. They're all done and out the oven. I just kind of went ahead and loosened up some of the middle of it so it's easier to get to, but you don't really have to do that. I just like to do that to my sweet potatoes. And that's pretty much it, you guys. We're about to plate this thing. We're gonna put our sauce down. I also made some yellow rice, Mahatma. That's the best yellow rice out there, you guys. And we're gonna put our sweet potato on there, throw our chickpeas on there, get some more sauce, because that sauce, y'all. And in addition to chickpeas, you guys can cook whatever veggies you would like on it. When I first made it, I put onions, mushrooms, and I think some kale or spinach on it. And that's also really good with the sauce and the chickpeas. So you guys can use what you have at home right now and just kind of switch up your sweet potatoes. Try it out. Right? And once y'all taste the flavor of the tahini sauce that was made, that was just hummus and some tahini and some seasonings and some lime juice, girl, on top of the sweet potatoes, it just gives it a whole different taste. You can throw your veggies in, the chickpeas as you saw, girl, it's just really good. It's so good. Comment down below, what is your favorite way to eat sweet potatoes? Besides this one, this is about to be your new favorite way, but comment down below what other ways you guys like to eat sweet potatoes. Don't forget, be sure to download the recipe if you want to try this at home, because you need to. I know you got some sweet potatoes in there that you need to cook. I know it. I feel it. I feel it in my soul, because I have some more sweet potatoes that I need to cook. So we're about to make this again. It's really good though. It is really good. But be sure to download the recipe by clicking the link in the description box, and tag me in your recreations if you guys are going to be making this on Instagram at Sieee Johnson. Please tag me in your stories or whatnot. I would love to see you guys cooking up your sweet potatoes. Hopefully adding this Mediterranean, trying to incorporate that in some kind of way would be dope too. So tag me at Sieee Johnson. This is a new kind of tagline I have going on my channel. Be your own vegan chef, because I feel like we're all chefs, you know? I've looked up the word chef and the definition of a chef, and it also includes any cook. So you don't have to be skilled, you don't have to go to culinary school. You can, but you can also be your own vegan chef. And by watching my channel, hopefully, and learning how to cook during quarantine, I know everyone has a lot more time and they have to cook their own foods. So why not claim it? Yes, I'm my own chef. I'm my own vegan chef. And definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be sharing lots more recipes, lots more tips on going vegan, and vlogs about being vegan and going vegan and weight loss and stuff like that. I'm going to be incorporating my health journey. I have some ideas, y'all. We're in quarantine, we're at home. It's just a lot. I've been cooking a lot, and I hope you guys are doing well and doing well with your cooking, and maybe these recipes that I'm uploading, you know, will be able to help you switch it up, because it's like you get tired of cooking the same things. Another thing I'm really about to get into is meal prepping, because I'm tired of cooking every day, or cooking one day and having leftovers for one more day, but like having to cook something to go with it. It's just a lot. Sorry about the pots and pans in the background. You know, we out in here cooking. We're at home. It's gonna be home sounds going on. Until next time, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any uploads. Like this video and share with your beautiful friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay chefing. I'm trying to come up with some chef tags. Stay chefing. Stay chefing. I don't know if that works. See you guys in my next video. Sorry, I'm so weird.